In this section, we're going to talk about the basis of your SEO campaign, keyword research. This is the most important section of the course, so pay close attention to the lessons ahead. Keyword research is one of the most difficult and time-consuming parts of SEO, so make sure you learn properly how to do it. If you start your keyword research unprepared, chances are you will make mistakes without knowing what you are doing wrong. Now, why is keyword research so important? If you don't do keyword research properly, that means a lot of wasted time and money. It takes time to start ranking in Google for the keywords that you're optimizing your website for. If you choose the wrong keywords and then put in a lot of time and effort to optimize for those keywords, it may later turn out that you have done all your work for nothing. Keyword research is the basis of your SEO campaign. If you don't do this right, you will not get anywhere. All other SEO work is much more effective if you choose the right keywords. Suppose you start with link building, but you have used keywords for your website that you cannot rank for. Then you will spend a lot of time on link building without seeing any results. If, on the other hand, you have chosen keywords that you can rank for, then all your other SEO work will also be much more effective. Also, knowing which keywords to target gives you a lot of inspiration for your content. You basically never have to think about which topics you're going to write about for your website. Let's first clarify what we mean exactly by keywords. A keyword is not a single word. A keyword can consist of one word, such as bicycle, but also of several words, such as buy secondhand bicycle London. In fact, as we'll see later in the course, we're mainly looking for those longer keywords that consist of 2, 3, or more words. It is common in SEO to talk about keywords, so that's a term we'll mainly use in this course. But other terms are perhaps a little more suitable, such as search term, keyword phrase, or search query. So just keep in mind that when we talk about keywords, they can also be terms that consist of more than one word. The end goal of this section is that you know how to do keyword research so that you can find the best keywords for your website. In this section, you will learn the properties of a good keyword, why long-tail keywords are the key to SEO success, how to conduct a traditional keyword research, and how to steal the best keywords from your competitors. Let's dive right in and start with this section on keyword research.